Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Mark to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday the 13th. Wow. Hopefully, you guys be safe out there today. We got just a couple economic news releases scheduled for today. We'll start off with the producer price index. This is the wholesale inflation rate number for the month of May. So we had a 0.6%. Remember back in April. So it was a pretty big jump, and that was something we were going to keep an eye on. As we mentioned, we had like 2 months in a row where they were fairly high. So forecast was supposed to dip in May to 0.1%, and it actually jumped a bit lower. So it actually went negative, so it contracted a bit. So that's obviously pretty good news that inflation may not be getting out of hand as we may have thought with that pretty big number there, 0.6%. Consumer sentiment, we had an 81.9 on the index level, and it was supposed to go up, meaning that people are feeling a little bit better about where things are going. And it actually reduced 81 to 0.2, so that's about a 3 month low right there. We haven't seen that number in about 3 months. So people pull back on their feelings of where things are going so far. Take a look at the headline news here, and right now, after the consumer sentiment, the stock market was down a bit, and then also the issues going on in Iraq right now pulled investors' value, and then they decided to kind of shrug their shoulders. They're kind of doing some daytime trading right now. You're seeing a lot of, it's not up a lot, but it went up a little bit. So you're seeing like the Dow up around 19 so far this late morning or early afternoon in the East Coast over there. But the main thing to kind of watch for is see where it falls at the end of the day here. They might be just doing some collecting in some profits and stuff. You're seeing a lot of investors looking at technicals, so they're putting in profits because so many people are worried about a possible correction, and when a correction happens, it happens rather quickly. So they're putting in protections for sell-offs when it reaches a certain point. So you're going to see that potentially as well. So a lot more volatility in the market as people are kind of getting a little nervous about possible correction. The bond market today. Pretty big change. We started off the day at 102.02 yesterday, and then dropped all the way down to 101.22 at one point, and now it's up a little bit higher. So worst pricing for today. Interest rates did climb up a little bit today. As a result, money is going into the equity markets, and unfortunately, this is where it kind of came at. So remember, as you can see, we were all the way up to earlier this late. Couple weeks ago, we were all the way up to over 103.08 on the 3.5, and now we're down to about just below 102. So a pretty big price drop. But also part of that was remember we had a couple of days ago a pricing, not there wasn't pricing, but a bond rollover. So there's where the pricing looks like it's for the worst. Usually you'll see about 30 basis points playing effect. So we're probably closer to about the actual level of 102 right now if we factor in the bond rollover. All right, folks, have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on Monday. Hopefully that was kind of clear, but rates did kind of worsen from yesterday's numbers as a result. Have a wonderful day, and enjoy your weekend, and be safe. Take care.